Hello, welcome to Online Legal and Ethical Issues. This is iTech 4205 and I'm your professor, Dr. Angela C. Munoz. You can also call me Dr. M, and this is Middle Georgia State University. This is an online course, so here we're just going to go over the syllabus and some of the introductory information for the class. Hello and welcome to the class. You made it. So my name is Dr. Angela Munoz and you can call me Dr. M if you'd like. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself before we get started with the class. So I do have a master's degree in information technology with specialization in health informatics from Middle Georgia State University. I also recently received my doctorate of science in information technology from Middle Georgia State University, making me a double knight. And I want to tell you about my teaching philosophy. So I like to keep a student-centered approach. I like an adaptable teaching style so I can make changes as we go along this semester. I also like agile course management. Again, that ties into the flexibility and adaptations throughout the course. And I also like to customize in-class activities for my in-person courses. I like to keep a supportive learning environment. So I'm always here to support you. If you need something, please let me know. And I want to encourage you to be a lifelong learner. So always keep learning and studying and researching something new and interesting. And I try to bring that to the class. All right, so what is this class about? Here we're going to be analyzing legal and ethical issues in IT. We're going to be looking at some different essential laws that govern IT, such as GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. We'll also look at the ethical dilemmas that arise in the tech world, and we're going to be discussing how IT professionals are balancing legal compliance with ethical responsibilities. So by the end of this course, you're going to be able to critically analyze the legal implications of IT-related decisions and assess the ethical challenges. So we're going to do that through some real-world case studies and real-world applications that you can later add to your resume. You're going to be doing some presenting, a few discussions, team projects and group projects in this class, but you'll be presenting your ideas and speaking effectively about legal and ethical issues in information technology. Okay, so one of the great things about this particular class is that we don't have a textbook. You're not required to buy a textbook or fund it yourself or find it through the bookstore, but what that does mean is that you're going to be taking on a lot of reading, case studies, and outside resources that are going to be provided to you throughout the course announcements and course content. So you'll need to stay up on your reading in this class. Just because we don't have a textbook does not mean you won't do your fair share of reading and research. Okay. For the technology requirements, you just need to have Microsoft Word and also Microsoft PowerPoint for assignments. You're going to be recording and you're going to need a camera and a microphone so that you can participate online through the D2L service, and you may be uploading those presentations that you create into YouTube to share with the class. All right, for this course, you may be asking, what do you need to do? What are the requirements? What is the grading like and assignments like in this class? So we do have case study assignments. These are worth 30% of the grade. Here we're going to be analyzing real-world scenarios and applying those legal principles that we learn about to make decisions in the IT process. We're also going to be doing discussions, so those are worth 20%. You do need to engage in these weekly discussions about the ethical dilemmas going on in IT right now. There are no right or wrong answers, but you do want to look at the ethical side and back these up with statements in APA 7th edition style from your course information and content. So we do have some quizzes also. Those are worth 10%. These are just going to test your understanding of major topics throughout the course material, such as privacy laws and cybercrime. And we also have the final research paper, which is worth 40% of your grade. Here you're going to be conducting an in-depth analysis of a current legal or ethical issue in IT. The policies and expectations for this class are listed in the syllabus, also in D2L. So this is a deadline-based structure. You want to make sure that all assignments are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and that's Eastern Time. No no late work will be accepted without prior approval. You do need to email me in MGA if you think that you may have an assignment coming in late or something comes up and you won't be able to complete it. Please let me know. Reach out to me. I'll respond very quickly and let you know what we can do, and we'll try to work with you on that. For the AI usage policy, you'll see a description in the end of the syllabus. For this course, I do have a system. We have the traffic light system, so you have a green light for some assignments, you may have a yellow light, and you may have a red light. Most of the projects for this course are going to be a red light, so I want you to be thinking out of the box, being creative. Please do not use AI created presentations. If you have to rely on that to get a style or a template, please use it with discretion. Make sure you double check your work, and I do expect you to use some forms of grammar checking throughout the course. This will help you with your writing later on. Make sure you use it. We're all professionals. Of course, I don't want anything generating text for you, but I do want you to use Grammarly, things like that, to check your spelling before you submit it to me. All right, for student resources and success tips, how can you be successful in this class? Well, first off, you can use Galileo for research. If you find that you need more research on interaction design or user experience, anything like that, we do have available resources throughout this course. Check D2L. I have a lot of resources there, lots of videos, lots of links and things like that. You can always email me at the MGA email if you need help finding something. I can find it really quickly and send it to you. You can also try the Student Success Center and they can tutor you. That's another option that you do have if you especially need help with design, writing, something in the technical field that you're having trouble with, or if you're just having trouble uploading to YouTube for any of our presentations or recording audio, please reach out to me or your classmates and they'll be happy to help you. We do have various online databases for academic support. Within the D2L system, we do have an embedded librarian who can help you with your APA 7th edition citations. So please reach out, access as many resources as you can so that you can be successful in this course. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in this presentation. Welcome to the class. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to meet you and get a feel for what you want to learn in this class. If you need to reach out to me, my information is listed here in the PowerPoint presentation, also in the syllabus and in D2L. If you need to reach me at any time, of course, email me through your MGA website email, and that's going to be angela.munoz@mga.edu. And you can also reach out to me through MS Teams. Thank you. Bye.